Hello and welcome to Camtasia Studio 5, a world leader in screen recording, editing, and publishing rich screen video presentations. The main purpose of this Getting Started tutorial is to help guide you on your way to get more out of Camtasia Studio. Additional quick start videos have been created to assist you with how to record, edit, produce, and share your videos successfully. We've also added a tutorial that walks you through how to use the new Camtasia Recorder, so I encourage you to check these videos out as well. Let's actually begin with a little tip. Prior to starting the Camtasia Recorder, make sure to get your recording area ready by opening any applications or whatever it is you plan to record. This will make more sense later, but I'm going to go ahead and open our TechSmith website in a web browser since this is what I would like to record and have it ready on my desktop. Once your recording area is ready, if you don't already have Camtasia Studio 5 open, then go ahead and do so. A new welcome window will appear. Click the New Screen Recording button to launch the Camtasia Recorder. The very first time you launch the new recorder, a dialog window will appear recommending that you watch a short video. This video will walk you through a couple suggested workflows to help you get the best possible results with your screen recordings. I encourage you to watch this video if you haven't already, as it will give you many more details than this overview video will. Look at the Camtasia Recorder interface. Decide if you want to record audio or a web camera during your recording. For this example, I will check next to microphone and speak into my mic to make sure that it is working. As needed, click the audio or camera options links to set up your devices. Well, the next step is to click the Select Area to Record button. When clicked, the Camtasia Recorder will minimize and a crosshair selection tool will appear on your screen. You can either click and drag out a region of your screen to record, move your mouse to select the full screen, or move your mouse to the top of an application window and click to select the entire application. This is the reason why I recommended that you open your applications and get your recording area ready prior to opening the recorder. You can always press the Escape key on your keyboard to cancel and return to the Camtasia Recorder. With my recording area selected, I can now use the toolbar at the bottom of the window to get my recording area just the way I want it before I begin recording. This small toolbar has some pretty powerful features built right in, so let's explore a few. Since I selected an entire application to record, the Lock to Application box has been checked. This means that if I grab one of the handles and resize my recording area, it snaps to the application, which resizes right along with my recording area. This is nice. Click on the Preset Sizes drop-down menu to see some of the most common dimensions used for recording and viewing videos. Let's select 640 by 480 from the list. Three things just happened. Your window resized to the exact dimensions selected, the width and height boxes now have the dimensions listed, and the lock beside the width and height has been locked to keep the aspect ratio of your video during any resizing. Keeping the aspect ratio locked will give you the best results when it comes to producing your video. Once your video has been resized where you want it, click the red Record button to begin your recording. A control toolbar appears below your video that contains a helpful timer and volume meter. Record your screen and capture everything you want in your recording. When finished, click the Stop button located on the toolbar. A preview of your recording will open and begin playing on your screen. It looks pretty good to me, so I'm going to click the Save button, choose a location, and give the recording a name. Click Save when finished. Choose Edit My Recording in the Post-Save Options window and click OK. This will launch Camtasia Studio and place your recording in the clip bin and on the timeline. A Project Settings window appears the first time a clip is added to the timeline, allowing you to select an editing preset or enter a custom width and height. If the original recording was recorded at the dimensions 640 by 480 or greater, then the web preset will be the default selection. You also have the option to apply Smart Focus or just change the video dimensions. You can learn more about project settings and Smart Focus in our collection of resources in the Learning Center. When finished, click OK. The preview window will show how the final video will look produced at the preset or custom dimensions selected. The video dimensions are displayed in this field at the top of the preview window. Before we continue, let's save our Camtasia Studio project. Click on File, Save Project As, choose a destination folder, and give your file a name. For now, we'll keep our source clips in their current locations and click Save. Your file name should now be present on the title bar. Alright, you're now able to edit your video using the many editing features that Camtasia Studio has to offer. Get rid of specific parts of the video by selecting a portion of the timeline that you want to remove and click the Cut icon on the timeline toolbar. Use the Split button to allow other media to be inserted between clips on the timeline. Create a title clip to add to the beginning of your video, to introduce a new topic, or as an end slide to your video. There are so many other editing possibilities that are available within Camtasia Studio 5, and you can find specific tutorials in our Learning Center. But for the purpose of this Getting Started video, we must move forward. So once the fun of editing has come to an end, producing your video into a shareable format comes next. Click Produce Video As under the task list to open the production wizard. You have 3 options to choose from on this first window. And if you chose the web preset for your project settings, the easiest and fastest way to produce your video is to use the same web production preset. You will see in the description box that this preset will produce a flash file with the dimensions of 640 by 480. Click Next and you are taken directly to the page to name your file and choose a location to save your produced video. Click Next again and you see the production settings that are recommended for your video. Click Finish and your video will begin rendering. When the rendering has finished, your video will open in a web browser for you to view. You are now ready to share this video with others. Since the destination I chose was the web, I will move all of the files located in the production folder to my server space and hyperlink directly to the HTML file that was created. Well, that pretty much covers a typical process that one might take with Camtasia Studio. I hope you enjoy exploring all of the possibilities that come with using Camtasia Studio 5. And by the way, don't feel like you're on your own to learn everything there is about Camtasia Studio. Check out the next Quick Start video titled How to Record, or visit our online collection of resources to find a variety of video tutorials to help you on your journey. Thanks a lot, and I wish you much success.